para sa mga kalalakihan. Hirap kontrolin at paputol-putol. Pagising-gising sa gabi, ang dating segundo, ngayon minuto. Mag-Sunburst sa Palmetto, ang supplement para sa mga kalalakihan.
A sleepover beach day or birthday party. Packed up for school. Adorable pets to take care of. It's so cute. Imagine all the things we could do. You can brush my hair,
Well, pwede nang i-redo. We can do that with proper diet, exercise, and Redox Fat. Redox Fat contains 350 milligrams L-carnitine and green tea extract that burns fat and gives extra energy for the day. So Redox Fat, i-redo na ang lifestyle mo. Redox Fat, slim down, chin up.
Made by ATC Healthcare, your trusted life ally.
Mahalagang paalala, ang Redox Fat ay hindi gamot at hindi dapat gamiting panggamot sa anumang uri ng sakit.